What is up, guys? This is the RDR and today I'm doing a review on Meguiar's Deep Crystal Car Wash. Comes in a 64-ounce bottle, or else it's 2 quarts, as you can see here, and it also came with a extra Supreme Shine protectant wipe. I picked this up in Walmart. Actually, no, I picked it up at Target. Yeah, Target it was, in the United States, for $3.50, which is pretty good. I mean, it's a pretty big bottle of it. It's safe. It's biodegradable formula, so I guess it's good. It's okay for the drains and stuff. So it's Meguiar's lower end car wash. It's the cheapest, but it's apparently it works really good, so I'm gonna definitely give it a shot, and I'm gonna go outside and wash a car. So here we go. Okay, so I'm now outside, and I've already measured how many capfuls need to go in to the bucket. It recommends, for best results, 1 gallon of water with 1 ounce or 4 capfuls, which I've already put in. So my bucket's right there, and the hose is right here. It's leaking right now, but I'm gonna fill it up. So it suds up pretty good, I'd say. Wow. Yeah, it definitely claims to give lots of soapy suds, and that's definitely what it's doing. I mean, look at that. That's crazy. It smells really good as well. There we go. We got a bucket full of foam. Okay, so I got my bucket ready with my wash mitt. I usually try to utilize the 2-bucket method, which just reduces chances of swirling, but I actually don't have another bucket right now, so I'm just going to go with what I have. So we're going to work on the passenger side door, front and rear. So here we go. So I've got my bucket and hose down there. My hose is leaking pretty bad. Okay, so first, give a quick wrench, so that way it gets the best chance of moving. And grab your, you're going to want to grab your mitt, soap, and just work at one second. I'm just doing the door first, just to show the demonstration. Usually you're going to want to work from the roof down. As you can see, it's really soapy, which is really good. And the sides last pretty good, which is another great thing about it. Every corner you can. The suds are lasting pretty long. Every couple seconds you want to go back and new suds. Like I said, for $3.50, that's not too bad. So. Look at that. Crazy. You don't want to get everywhere. Let's do a couple laps. Take a little bit more time. And then once you're done, quick rinse. This does preserve your wax protection, so don't worry about your wax or anything. And there you have it. I did it pretty well. As you can see, it's nice and clean. I'll finish off the whole entire car, and then I'll do a video of what it looks like afterwards. Okay, here's the final result. This is me after using the deep crystal car wash. It turned out quite nicely, actually. I was really surprised. For $3.50, this wash can go a long way. And actually, if there was more than just one, if there was only one at Target, so if there was any more, I would have picked up a lot more. I don't think I talked loud enough in the last segment, but basically you just need to wash your car like you usually do. As you can see, I got pretty good wax protection. Well, the reflection is definitely good. You can see my car right there. Should take a picture of that. Anyways, it's really good for $3.50. I mean, I think it was on a sale, maybe, or a clearance. I'm not too sure. I've only been to Target once, but yeah. If you can find it, it's usually, I think on detailing.com, it's $4.99, so that's a pretty good price. So anyways, good job, Meguiar's. The product is good for what you pay for. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys go out and buy this.